So, Madhul, when you started this fitness journey, how it was like, what was your daily routine, the duration of workout and the food diet? Because, I believe that diet also plays an important role in your fitness. If someone is
Yes.
working in the gym for hours and come back and eat junk, that's completely redundant, isn't it? So tell me,
Exactly, bro.
how was the routine?
The routine. So in the beginning, bro, it was like I thought about it. Like, okay, now I have a plan that I should work out, but I didn't know how to do it. So I was, as I told you, I was really heavy. I was of around 137 kgs. So the only thing which I could do was, only thing which was feasible for me was walking or cycling. That too,
Oh,
cycling in my home on a steady bike, exercise bike.
okay.
So I started off with it like I was like, okay, let's start off with cycling and all. So I did it for around 20 days or so, and I saw that I lost a marginal amount of weight. I was like, okay, I'm losing weight. So I thought, let's try to implement something. So I stopped eating from outside. It's
Okay.
really difficult to keep a track of food which you buy, which you get delivered to your home and all.
Yeah,
It's really
yeah.
hard to keep a track of the calories and all. I started doing that. Like, let's keep a track instead of keeping a count. Let's just keep a track instead of minimizing and all. So I realized that I was eating the food which could have easily have been consumed by 3 or 4 people. I
Oh,
realized that. So I thought
okay.
like, nah, it's really the high time now. I should reduce. So I thought first step should be cutting off the food which I am getting from out. So I just cut that off, but the cravings were still there. So what I did was I started to learn cooking, and somehow I managed to learn few recipes of my favorite foods, and
Okay.
I started to cook them without oil. One spoon has around 600 to 800 calories. So I
Ha
just
ha ha.
chopped that part off. The oil part, I just chopped that off, and I started cooking food myself. And slowly, I chopped the huge amount of sugar as well from my diet, and I started to lose quite an impressive amount of weight after that. So the thing is that when you start doing the healthy kind of stuff, workout does matter, but it's only the 25 to 30% of the part which you are doing.
Ha
The
ha.
most of the part is nutrition. You should know
That.
about nutrition. So I started dieting and all, and I started losing weight. So that's how I started basically.
I hope you found it useful, and if you're watching or listening till here, then it means a lot to me. I really appreciate it. Please do like and subscribe to the channel and share it among with your friends. This podcast is available on Spotify, Google Podcast, and exclusively on our platform SelfLabs.in. Please check out SelfLabs and subscribe to our newsletter to get updated on our new content releases. All that's being said, thank you and take care.